Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your webcam to the Monkey app without any errors. First, make sure your webcam is enabled on your PC. To check this, right click on this PC and open Manage. Then go to the device manager and look for your webcam under camera show imaging devices. Once you find it, make sure it's enabled. Next, check if your webcam is being used by another app in the background. Close any apps that might be used in the camera before opening Monkey. After that, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now click on Privacy, then select Camera. So make sure your camera access is turned on for both apps and browsers. Now open the Monkey app and your webcam should work properly. If you have two webcams and want to switch between them, click the camera icon in the top bar and reset the permissions. Then reload the page, select the webcam you want to use and allow permissions again. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.